Receptors are the parts of the body which receive the changes take place in our environment. In human body there are many type of receptors which perform different functions. First one is photoreceptors. Photoreceptors perceive light, that is eyes. Next one is sonoreceptors which perceive the sound waves, that is ears. Next one is chemoreceptors which perceive different chemicals like tongue and nose. Mechanical receptors perceive the pressure mostly from the skin. First of all, we will discuss about eye. A pair of eyes is present in the human beings. The outermost white tough muscular layer is called sclera. The middle layer is called choroid. The choroid layer is thick in the anterior part and make the ciliary body. The colored portion of the choroid in an anterior center is called iris. In the center of the iris, pupil is present, which control the amount of light entering the eye. Behind the pupil, a lens is present which focus images from different distances on the retina. A lens is held by suspensory ligaments, which are attached with the ciliary body. Inner layer is called retina. It contains photoreceptor cells and neurons. Photoreceptor cells are called rods and cones. Rods are responsible for dim light. They give us the image of the object but not its color and detail, while cones are responsible for visualizing colors. Rods contain a purplish red pigment called rhodopsin. It is synthesized from vitamin A. A deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. Cones also contain a pigment called iodopsin. There are 3 types of cones. Each type contains specific iodopsin for red, green and blue light. The sensation of different colors are produced by various combinations of these cones. The optic nerve leaves the eye at a posterior pole of the eyeball. At this spot, photoreceptor cells are not present, so it is called blind spot. The space between the cornea and the lens is called aqueous chamber. It contains thin watery fluid called aqueous humor. At the posterior pole of the eye, opposite to the lens, there is a yellowish spot called fovea. Eyes send a huge amount of information to the brain. Sometimes a defect occurs in the working of the eyes which cause great disturbance in the life of the person. 2 disorders are generally known as long-sightedness and short-sightedness. Short-sightedness is an eye disorder in which a person can see close objects clearly, but distant objects are not clearly visible. This is also called myopia. This problem can be rectified by using concave lens. Concave lens ensure that the light is focused on the retina of the eye so that distinct objects do not appear blurry. Short-sightedness is also cured by the laser eye surgery, where cornea is reshaped to correct its curve, so light can better focus on the retina. Next one is long-sightedness. It is a disorder in which a person can see distinct objects clearly but not the close ones. This disorder is caused when the eyeball is too short or the shape of the lens is not round. This disorder is also known as hypermetropia. In this case, light rays do not focus on the surface of the retina, so the light is focused behind the retina. A blur image is left on the retina. Long-sightedness is rectified by using convex lens. It is also cured with the laser eye surgery, where laser is used to reshape the cornea and improve the curve. Therefore, light is better focused on the retina. Light rays coming through the cornea and lens make an image on the retina. Rods and cones of the retina produce nerve impulses in the neurons present in the retina. The axons of these neurons are a part of optic nerve. The optic nerve carries information in the form of nerve impulses from retina to the cerebrum of the brain, so the meaningful sensation of the shape and color is produced.